heard that again?
Yeah.
What is that? We're hearing all of these cracking noises from different trees, but it sounds like something's knocking on them. And it also sounds like a sound. So, I don't know what it is. It's pretty cool. The forest is alive with sounds today. The faint twists in this tree. Look at that. It's like a vortex. The noises that I keep missing on my phone. See, the thing is, hon, I've heard trees cracking in the cold before,
Yeah.
and they sound like cracking.
Oh.
This sounds like something is hitting it on the outside.
Yeah.
And it also sounds like...
It's hollow. Yeah.
Oh.
That was a big one.
Wow. This sounds like music.